Here we installed beacons on this 2023 Citroen Relay van. Now, when it comes to beacons, there's so many different variety of beacons and different positioning where it needs to go. This really does depend on customers' requirement and what they need the beacons for. So this particular vehicle, what we've done, we've fitted beacons high up, little hideaway beacons, and that's all the way around, and also a roof bar beacon. So if you can see that up top there, I'm going to turn it on so you can see. So let's go around the vehicle. So as I mentioned, you've got the two up there in the corners there. Got the roof bar right across the roof. Two down there. And obviously we matched that side as well. And we've got four at the front. So you have a look, two in the bumper and two up high. Well, it's controlled by a switch that's mounted in the dash. So the switch is basically run off a permanent feed. The customer's asked to put in their own batteries in the back. So I'll show you this. So it's not actually using the van battery at all. So it's using the batteries in the back here. We've been asked to build a little box to box the battery up. So we just quickly did this. And the batteries are in there. And the customers also asked us to put the fuses outside of the battery box and asked for a couple of other fuse holders for other stuff that's going to end up being mounted here. What we also done was interior light. He specifically wanted two lights and no more, and on a switch, on a separate switch. So basically we turn that on and it just basically lights up this area here. Now we could also do lights on the actual factory doors. That is a possibility, but in this occasion he wanted a separate switch, so it's basically on all the time. So that's beacons fitted to this 2023 Citroen Relay van.